So
Yeah.
is there like a particular moment or memory that got like really scary or something for you that you can think of?
Oh, yeah, yeah. I mean, I've had a few scares. Inside that iceberg in Antarctica, I was basically trapped with my team. So there were two people with me, and the current became so strong all of a sudden that we were unable to get out of the iceberg. And our 1 hour dive suddenly turned into a 3 hour dive of just
Ooh.
fighting for our lives to get out. It was so strong. It was just sucking us inward every time we tried to kick our way forward. And I didn't know whether I had the physical strength in order to overcome that situation, but we all did.
Oh my
Uh,
gosh.
and I've been in other situations where, in a very small cave on traditional open circuit scuba, where every single breath is a finite time that you can stay in that overhead environment. My diving partner got stuck with me further into the cave than my diving partner. So that diving partner is like plugging the cave basically.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if I don't solve my diving partner's problem, then I'm not getting home either. So that
Wow.
was a scary one. We were in zero visibility. The line broke. My life support packed it in, and suddenly I'm having a serious like gas loss issue all at the same time, and my partner's panicking. So
Oh
so
man.
that was a tough one. Yeah.
Gosh, that is scary. Yeah, like just
Yeah.
whew, man. So do you go through like specific training to kind of like handle those situations and stay calm and handle it correctly?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I do lots of training to keep my skills proficient and practiced. So